Hi everyone, Muriel here. Just wanted to come on and share with you guys. I made some more of these holiday foam balls. I am like addicted to them. I was sharing the idea with my sister and telling her all that it takes to make them. And she made some herself. And they are so cute. I have a picture of them. But my sister's not on social media. So she made some for her two-tier tray. They're absolutely gorgeous. She, as I mentioned, she bought the fabric from Walmart. They have a section where their fabrics are, and they have these quarter rounds or whatever they're called. And they're different fabrics. And when I went yesterday, I picked these up, and they just had that snow and cocoa vibe. The white, the green, the teal, the black, the red. So I whipped up a few of these. So let me show them to you. I had two of the larger balls in my arsenal. And I am officially out of foam balls, which I'm glad. I'm telling you, this YouTube hop has definitely inspired me to pull out things I have and create with it. I'm so grateful for that. So here is the green one. Then there's the black one with just some words on it. And this red polka dot. And I'm using just picks that I have in my stash with some of those tiny pine cones that I think I got them from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. I think I'm out of those. So how cute. Like I said, I have mine downstairs, which my daughter just loves. I don't know why. She took one to work. She has one on her desk. It's not like they have a string with them to hang up, but she just wanted one, so I let her have it. Okay, so those are the ones that I made. And like I said, I was going to send them to my sister. Hopefully she's not watching this video, but she already made some for hers. So I just have these. I may just kind of package them up in some Happy Mail. But what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do a giveaway. It's that time again. It's that time. So as you know, the names I'm pulling from are the names for the folks that left comments during the YouTube hop. So it's not open to everyone, unfortunately. I'm just sticking with these names. And what I'm going to give to you, the winner of this giveaway, is a set of these tiny ones. With the tray, you saw the glass dish I bought the other day, and it says Cookies for Santa. So this is a tray where you can display them, or you can put strings on them and hang them from your tree, or you can just put them in a dish or a nice tray and display them. Whatever you want, they're up to you. So there are 8 on this plate, and I have this box that they probably could fit in. But what you need to tell me is if you like the little ones, or would you prefer a mix of each? And I'm not sure. I hope inside this box that I can get 8. Let's just see if I threw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, I could. Okay, so you just let me know whether you like 8 small or 8 mixed. And then that's going to be part of the giveaway with the tray. And then I want to show you guys something that I made as well. And I'm glad I made it, but I'm not, it's not something that I will make more of. I made one of these, let me see, it's not a washi wand, right? But that's where the idea came from. I followed the tutorial over on Sabrina's channel. This is a twine tower is what I'm calling it. So I put together these rolls, empty spools of thread, and I painted them red. And I use this red here, which is a acrylic paint cherry red that I haven't used in a while. And it was gumpy, so I had to shake it for days. And then I made another one with this green, which is evergreen, and it is really thick and sappy. So I don't know whether I'm going to keep these 2 or not, but that's what I used. And I just made, wrapped some twine. I have black and white here, and I have gold and white, silver and white, and red. And then I have a let's see, I have a charm hanging similar to this one here, with some Christmas charms on it. And this one here has some beautiful trims that I picked up at the Scrapbook Expo that I'm going to be gifting to a friend. But this one here has a charm and a bell and snowman. And then I made the other one in green. And this green is so dark. It is just haunting. It's so dark. But I put silver white, gold white, 2 red, and 1 black on this one here. So I will definitely throw one of these in the giveaway bag as well. You can let me know when I pulled your name up, right? You're going to say, I'll take either the red or the green twine tower. And you're going to let me know whether you want the 8 small with the plate or a mixture of 8 with the plate. So let's get busy and see who is going to win this giveaway. Okay, the winner of the giveaway with the holiday balls and the twine tower is Rhonda Coleman. Isn't this amazing? It just so happens that Rhonda sent me some happy mail the other day. Way to go, Rhonda. I have your address because I kind of cut the packaging out. So you just need to leave me a comment and let me know whether you want 8 small with the plate, mix it up with the plate, and whether you want a red twine tower or a green twine tower. Okay, you guys, thank you so much, and congratulations, Rhonda. And don't fret, there are still names in here, and there is still time for some giveaways. Take care, everyone. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye now.